I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain, oh baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane and only you can save me. Feels like I'm...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you how to create this makeup look right here, which I have created for Valentine's Day. This is my second tutorial on Valentine's Day makeup look. Previously on my channel I had created another makeup look which was really soft and subtle, but this one right here is a glam makeup look, and of course I had to include a makeup look with red lips, so this one is right here. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, then let's get started.
So I'll start with moisturizing my face first, and for that I'm using my Biobloom facial oil. This is such a good moisturizer, guys. Then I'm going to use my primer, and I'm using the one from Colorbar, and I'm applying it on areas where I have large pores. Next I'm going to use the Miss Claire Born to Glow illuminator, and I'm going to apply this over my primer. So I'm applying this because I want to glow from within kind of a look, because I want my look to be really glowy today. For foundation, I'm going in with the Pac Hd Liquid Foundation, and I'm going to apply it on my face with the help of a brush. Now, I will mention all the shade names and every other detail of the makeup products that I'm using down in my description box. So if I miss out on any, make sure you guys go and check out my description box. For concealer, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit concealer in the shade Light, and I'm applying it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on all the other high points of my face. This is going to conceal and highlight those areas at the same time. For setting everything, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Compact, and I'm using a brush to apply this powder on those areas where I want to set the concealer and the foundation. Next, I'm going to use this Nicka K contour duo, and I'm going to pick up the lighter shade right there, and I'm going to use that to contour my face slightly. I'm also going to contour my nose with the same contouring powder. For blush today, I'm going in with this Maybelline Color Show blush, and I will be applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to define my eyebrows with the help of my Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil, and I'm first going to outline my brow, and then I'm going to fill in my brow with the help of it using really small strokes. Starting with my eye makeup, I'm going to use this light brown shade from the Nicka K Contour Duo, and I'm going to apply this in my crease. So I'm basically using a contour powder in my crease to define my crease a bit more. I'm going to keep my eye makeup really simple. So I'm applying this, and then what I'm doing is that I'm taking a fluffy clean brush and blending it out so that it looks really well blended and there are no harsh noticeable lines. Once I'm satisfied with how it looks, I'm going to use this brown color from my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to deposit the color in my outer V. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and blend that out. So I will be depositing very little at a time, blending it and going further. So make sure that you take your own time to do this, because you don't want a lot of color, as we are keeping the eye makeup really simple and very plain, so we don't want a lot of color there. This is just to define the outer V a little bit more. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take this golden shade and apply it all over my eyelid with the help of flat brush. If you want, you can also use a setting spray if you want the color intensity to be a bit more higher. For eyeliner, I'm going to use my Lakme Insta liner, and I'm going to draw a winged liner. Next, I'm going to take this Kajal from Paces, which is one of my favorite kajals, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a really small pencil brush, and I'm going to drag that kajal to my wing. So I'm basically making a second wing on my lower lash line, and I'm dragging it to my first wing and connecting both of them. Then I'm going in with some mascara from Essence. I'm also going to put on a pair of falsies off camera, which I will be putting later on. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Mary Luminizer because I want to glow as much as possible. So I'm going to apply this on all high points of my face, and I love this highlighter. This is like the best. I'm also going to apply this highlighter in my inner corners as well. And then for my lips, I'm going in with a Ruby Woo from MAC. So that completes the look, and this is the final look, guys.
So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.